Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is November 22nd, 2024. Let's get started. Just as a reminder, remember when the price was way down here and we were drawing this box for a number of different weeks. Each of these lines represent a week of time. And you can see over this 5 or 6 trading week period, the price moved higher, moved lower, moved higher and lower, moved higher and lower. We talked about it ad nauseum back then, and then we looked for the break to the upside. We finally got that break to the upside when the price then rotated back to the downside, retested some of the swing area lows right here and here for that matter, and here when the price came down to this level, we moved just a little bit below that level, and then it was up to the upside here. We moved above this swing area through here where we had a number of different swing lows and swing highs, basing here, moving higher, coming back down to that level, and basing off of that level and moving higher to another swing area up here where we had just some swing lows and swing highs before the market moved lower through here, finally breaking through that level and then moving above this level right through here. Again, swing levels in play, traded above and below the level here, and then rotated even higher to another level up through here where we had, again, swing levels and swing levels coming together, support and resistance right through here, found resistance sellers there. In trading this week, the price moved lower in the start of the trading week, and what is significant in this move to the downside was, I'm going to just put this arrow from here, it goes back to the, in April there, the high price from April to the low price that we saw in September right here. The 50% retracement of that move came in right at the lows for this week at 0.87989. So buyers leaned against that level, also leaned against this low right here. So a dual reason why the market should find support, and indeed it did, although the price did move below the 200-day moving average. And speaking of which, the corrective move down here found support against that 200-day moving average in this swing area right here. Another dual level of support that helped to force the price out to the upside. And we've seen increased momentum to the upside in trade here today, breaking above the 61.8% retracement, again, breaking above this high price that we saw last week. And that's where we sit now. We sit above this swing area, above the high price from last week. And that area is going to be close support in trading next week. In addition to that, we're going to also look for support right at the 61.8% retracement. So this level right here, this level right here, and more conservative risk might even go down to the bottom of this swing area right through here. So between 0.8880 and 0.891, looks like 23 is going to be support targets. 14 to 23 level up here, 0.8899, let's call it 89 level right there, and then the low at 0.8880. All those levels are support as long as the price on a corrective move find support against these levels. We'd love to, let's say bottom against the 89 level. Then the buyers remain more in control and can look for higher levels, including this swing area up through here and around the 0.9005 level. Nice round number up there, right around the 90 level, as the market continues its surge to the upside, trend move to the upside after once again breaking outside of this box, that non-trending box that turned non-trending into trending to the upside. Now, all this would fall apart if the price were to start to move below the 0.8880. If it starts to move below that level, we could easily see a rotation back down toward the green line right here, which represents the 200-day moving average. Let me get it on an arrow right here. That's a 200-day moving average that comes right there, 50% retracement, 100-bar moving average in the 4-hour chart, all moving up. That's moving up toward the 50%, toward the 200-day moving average. And we can expect that it would be near that those levels in trading at some point next week. So there's going to be a good cluster of support down here. So that's my technical look at the dollar versus Swiss. Obviously, the buyers are continuing to take control as the market continues to trend to the upside. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.